This is our first outing of 2017. It's, we like to call an RO. Rapid Overnighter. Basically, I got off work at 4:30, picked up underling, and we just drove out here. It's car camping, strictly car camping. Literally just threw everything in a trunk and just to get out. I'm sure lots of you guys out there, guys and gals, have just been jonesing to get out camping and just didn't care what type of camping it was. You just need to get outdoors. And that's what we did. Oh, just finished dragging a chop down small little wrist thickness deadfall or dead standing. Anyways, probably thinking, where's your under quilt? I don't need one. I got a huge 2 sleeping bags there and thermarest. Let's go see what the Hennessy kid's doing. I have a whole bunch of pegs in the car if you need them. I take it you won't need them. Ooh, nice. Okay, well, let's grab this, pull it up onto the loggers road, and kind of a little mini log, so seems appropriate. See if I can avoid slipping. Grab this old guy. I might hold off. Hold on. Good job. Fire's still going strong. That's the bag of food, the ground beef and the cheese grater, Kraft Dinner. I think there's an onion in there too. This old tree makes a great headrest. That's about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to cook on a fire.
Yeah, we might have a problem.
Yeah, we might have to hold off because there's nothing to really, there's not enough coals going. I mean, there's coals, but it's not enough. Okay.
I'm going to get something a little better.
You know, would it be easier to cook this before we came out? Yeah, sure it would be. Of course. But it's not as fun. And not as fresh. That's an awful lot of ground beef. I think for the mac and cheese that we're going to make, that might be... That's a lot of ground beef. Oh my God.
Is the ground beef in there?
Yeah. Like I said earlier, a lot of ground beef. But we'll get her cooked. Look at her blood.
I give you the knife to stir it?
No, this is the better way to stir it.
Oh, sir, that's the thing.
Yes, sir. Okay, while sir's talking to himself, we're boiling up water for the Kraft Dinner.
Yeah.
What was it saying? The Parmesan? Yeah, there it is. There we go. The Witch's Brew.
You can tell the different color. The yellow, close but not quite.
Okay. This is what we like to call a healthy late night meal.
Yeah.
Of cheddar cheese, macaroni, ground beef.
There is no ambulance or forklift or heavy equipment that could be brought in to rescue me from the size I would reach.
This is so horrible. Oh my God.
This is almost as bad as when we did the ravioli and eggs.
Ravioli, eggs, and I think it was meatballs and gravy. Okay, are you sure you're going not too much on the water?
I can't stir it. So
Well,
when I can't stir it, we need water.
Well, we got a foot-long block of cheese in there.
Look at it. I have to add more water. There's no way. I can barely stir it.
Yeah, but you're gonna ruin it.
Oh yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna ruin it by adding a little water.
No, but the thing is that it's gonna be thick anyways because of all the...
Yes, but you have to be able to stir it. It has to happen.
Okay, but don't go overboard with the Parmesan. Oh my God.
So,
Oh boy.
it's pretty much cheese with a hint of noodle at this point.
Cheese with a hint. Oh my gosh, we could probably lay bricks with this stuff.
Oh yeah, that's like mixing cement right there.
Yeah, okay, that's enough.
Okay, yeah, that's...
Just give me some ground beef and then take the rest and throw it in your pan.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I can smell it from here.
Oh my God, look at that. It's like glue. It's like concrete. My wrist might break trying to stir this. That's the sign of real food. I might burn more calories stirring this than I gain eating it, which is highly improbable.
Okay,
Probably about 10,000 calories.
Oh yeah, easy.
Per tablespoon.
Okay, that's all the ground beef I need. That's it. That's it. I don't want any more. You mix it and then take your portion and throw it back into your pan. I'm eating out of the pot. And you can take most of it. Here comes one of those flying flashlights. I guess they say you should have a good meal before you go to bed, right?
Before I die, this is like a last meal.
There's something hanging off your chin.
There's probably some of the cheese.
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm sharking.
You got chips in there? How are the chips? Do they make a difference?
Yeah.
There's no higher thinking going on right now, is there? Wow. Oh my God. There's real, I mean, like, there's no formulas, no solving the world's problems right now, is there?
No. That was me crunching on hoof.
Wow. Oh boy. Sorry. I apologize. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please share, and thanks for watching.
Sweats.
Are you full?
I was full like 20 minutes ago.